Okay, so you've learned the basics of creating and editing with your AI agent, but you'd like to edit not one, not two, but three or more videos using the Hyperframe skill. Well, fortunately for us, AI is capable of completing multiple tasks simultaneously, allowing you to focus on the bigger task at hand. Hi, I'm Michael, and this is the Hyperframes for Beginners series. Today we're covering the batch workflow, how to generate a whole set of videos and edit every single one of them without touching a traditional video editor. First, let's qualify a few use cases. Examples where this workflow actually shines. Social media content planning. Consistency is everything, but it can feel like there's just not enough time to create and edit content without burning out or hiring a whole team. This is where the AI agents shine. They don't get tired and they can carry out multiple actions at the same time, which matters when the algorithm on every platform is hungry for content. Next, think online course modules. Course content goes out of date and fast, and the old fix was setting up the camera, your lights, and re-recording every lesson from scratch. Maybe it's a marketing campaign and you need a batch of ads shot and edited on a tight deadline, or a full lineup of product explainers for a series. This batch workflow works anywhere you need content in abundance. But here's the part people don't think about. Editing one video is time-consuming enough. Editing three with matching lower thirds, captions, and titles, that usually means real video editing skills in real editing software. Hyperframe changes that part too. With the right setup, you can batch edit a set of videos like this without ever opening an editor, just by guiding your AI agent with a few prompts. Now at this point in the series, we've already got our AI agent connected to HeyGen, so we're skipping right past that setup today. If you're just joining us, the full playlist will be linked below. It's worth going back following along from episode 1. Let's walk through exactly what goes into this prompt. I'm working inside Claude Code, and for each lesson, I hand it an avatar ID and a voice ID generated using Avatar 4, same as we've done in the earlier episodes. I give it all three scripts and I ask for 1080p. Now, one detail that matters here, I tell my agent to keep these videos separate. Each one gets its own folder inside the main project folder I already set up, labeled clearly by lesson. So that's 3 raw videos, different instructors, and different scripts. That's step 1. Now, once I run the prompt, my agent starts initiating using the MCP connection. So I'll give it a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Great, the videos are ready and they've been placed in the appropriate folders. Each topic has its own host explaining a different aspect of investing in our course. Now here's where this actually gets interesting. I've got 3 raw videos sitting in a folder, and I'm not about to edit 3 of them separately. Before any of this started, I wrote one file. It's called a design.md file, and I've mentioned this in previous videos. Think of it as a design system for this entire project. The color palette, the fonts, what the lower thirds look like, and what the title card should look like. But it also does something more specific. It includes a keyword map. When the script says the word index fund, the edit brings in a chart. When it says real estate, it brings in a map. And when it says dividend, it brings in a counter, climbing upward. Hyperframe has a skill built specifically for this exact move. It's called Talking Head Recut. Now it's made for taking footage you already have, like someone talking to the camera, and layering designed graphics on top of it. Lower thirds, titles, callouts, exactly what we need here. So here's the actual command that does the batch part. It's one line, a Hyperframes render with a batch flag, pointing at a file that just lists which raw video goes into which lesson. And that's it. Hyperframe reads that list and renders one output per row. Same composition, same design, same template, but 3 separate finished videos come out on the other side. Now, one thing worth knowing, so you trust the results, the agent doesn't guess at timing. Before it builds anything, it transcribes each video word by word so it knows the exact moment the dividend gets said. Not roughly, this is exact. That's how the visual lands on the right beat every time across every video in the batch. Alright, let's take a look at what Claude and Hyperframes put together. And here you can see that every single lesson still has its own unique visual style because the template is actually reading what's being said. It's not ignoring the content, it's responding to it.
On one company, it holds a small piece of hundreds of them at once, say, the 500 largest businesses in the country. Buy a single share, and you instantly own.
And because rents typically rise with inflation, property has historically held its value well, even when the broader housing market cools off. You don't need to become a landlord.
Invest those dividends instead of spending them. Each payout buys a few more shares, which then generate their own dividends next quarter. That's
And here's the part that actually saved me. Because all of this lives in the design.md file, Claude can generate a storyboard and a contact sheet straight from it. A quick grid showing exactly where each map visual is set to land before I ever commit to a full render. Now when we look at this, I built this with 3 lessons, but the exact same command works with 10 lessons or even 100. The batch file just gets longer. And if you'd rather skip the terminal side of this completely, HeyGen does already have a no-code way to generate multiple avatar videos in one job. It's called batch mode, and it lives right in the HeyGen app, so no commands are required here. Now this episode showed you the version where the AI agent runs the entire thing from start to finish, and generating and editing both. Pick whichever version actually fits how you'd like to work. They both get you to the same place. So that's the batch workflow from start to finish. Generate a set of videos with your AI agent, working in parallel instead of one at a time. Then, hand them all to Hyperframes with one design.md, and let it batch edit every single one the same way. And remember, this isn't just for courses. The exact same setup works for a batch of social ads, a full marketing campaign, a tutorial series, or a lineup of product explainers. Anywhere you need multiple videos that need to look and feel like they belong together. Now, if you want to try this for yourself, start with a design.md file. I spoke about how to do that in other videos. Get that right once, and the rest of the workflow takes care of itself. The full playlist is linked right below this video. And if there's a specific workflow you want me to script next, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one.